If Photopea is giving you a memory error, low memory warning, or just becoming slow and unstable, don't worry. There are a few simple fixes that can help you get back to work fast. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to save your progress safely, reset Photopea's memory usage, and reduce the load on your browser so you can keep editing without constant crashes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and Photopea tips. Let's jump right in. The very first thing you should do whenever Photopea starts struggling is save your work immediately as a PSD file. Don't wait for the warning to get worse, and don't keep editing without a backup. Just go to File, then choose Save as PSD, or use Command S on a Mac and Control S on Windows. Saving as PSD is important because it preserves your layers, edits, and project structure so you can reopen everything later if the browser crashes or the tab freezes. Once your file is safely saved, the next step is to refresh Photopea and clear out the memory buildup inside the browser. Photopea keeps a lot of undo history in memory, and over time, that can fill up the heap and make the app slower or trigger memory errors. After saving, reload the tab using Command R on Mac or Control R on Windows. Then reopen the PSD file you just saved. This resets the session, clears the accumulated undo history, and often brings RAM usage back down so Photopea can run much more smoothly. If you're still running into problems, the next thing to check is your browser tabs. Photopea runs inside your browser, so it has to share memory with everything else you have open. If you've got a lot of heavy tabs running at the same time, like YouTube, dashboards, cloud apps, or other design tools, they can take away the memory Photopea needs. Open your browser's task manager by pressing Shift and Escape. Then sort by memory footprint. Look for the biggest memory hogs and close the tabs you don't need right now. If that still doesn't help, try opening Photopea in a brand new clean browser window with no other tabs open. That alone can make a big difference. Now let's talk about the file itself, because sometimes the issue is not just the browser, it's the size and complexity of the document. If your project is very large, Photopea may hit its memory ceiling because the file contains too many pixels, too many layers, or too many heavy smart objects. One quick fix is to reduce the image dimensions. Go to Image, then Image Size, and lower the resolution or pixel dimensions if you don't actually need full size. If your artwork is oversized for the final use, shrinking it can dramatically reduce memory usage. Another useful fix is rasterizing heavy smart objects or linked assets. Some smart objects and vector items keep extra buffers in memory, especially in bigger compositions. If you no longer need them to stay editable, right-click the smart object or heavy layer and choose Rasterize. That converts it into a simpler pixel layer and can free up a lot of memory. Just remember, rasterizing is best for layers you are done editing because it removes the ability to scale or edit them as smart objects later. You can also flatten or merge unnecessary layers. If you have a long adjustment stack, duplicated layers, or finished elements that no longer need to stay separate, merging them can make the document lighter. Try to keep only the layers you still need to edit. A cleaner layer stack usually means less memory pressure, smoother performance, and fewer crashes. If you are working on a multi-artboard design, a huge print file, or a project with many pages, the best solution may be to split it into smaller PSD files. Large compositions can be extremely demanding in browser-based apps. Instead of forcing everything into one document, break the project into smaller parts and composite them later if needed. This is especially helpful for posters, catalogs, social media sets, and complex mockups where one massive file can overwhelm available memory. So if Photopea throws a memory error, remember the order of operations. Save your PSD right away, reload the tab to clear the heap, close memory-heavy tabs, reduce the file size, rasterize or flatten what you can, and split huge projects into smaller documents when necessary. Those steps solve most Photopea memory issues and can save you a lot of frustration. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Photopea tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more browser editing fixes, performance tips, or troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.